welcome back to another episode of Unthinkable. Today in this video, I'll be doing a review on Maddox's camera. So
Mine.
This is his, the Nikon
Nikon.
the Nikon Coolpix B500. I think that's how it's said, right?
It's right there.
Yeah, Coolpix B500.
All right.
So this is a camera. It's actually quite amazing. It's very compact, but it works amazingly well. So let's get started. The feature I love about this one is this foldable screen. So you can fold it up and you can also fold it down. So if I'm doing like a quirky, weird shot,
Okay, but whatever. It's good for angle, so if it's like that, you can put it down low and you can...
Yeah, see like this. So let me actually turn the camera on. Unlike my camera, this actually has like a specialized on and off button. So it gives you that nice theme song or whatever. So you can
show over there.
So yeah, you can actually take like cool shots like this one here. And what I love about this is that also you get your zoom here as well. Like look at this. You get your zoom here. You can zoom in incredibly far, and then you also get your focus. Like that. I could zoom in and see like leaves there.
We're not paying attention there.
There we go.
It's also really good quality.
Yeah. And then, so there's also that, but I could also do it on the lens here. So I'm gonna zoom in more.
It's pushing it down there.
Yeah. And then just, don't pay attention to the screen, but just look how, like, far it stretches out. Just look at that. That is amazing. To do this on my camera, you need like a $3,000 telephoto lens. So this is amazing, and this thing is only $300 for this kind of camera. It's amazing.
It's actually $400, but
okay.
No, but it's $369. I'm pretty sure. Canadian.
Yeah.
Dollars, not US.
So yeah, I can actually like this is basically like a telescope.
It zooms in pretty far.
The only thing is, it's so sensitive. Like, look at this. I'm barely moving my hands, and it's moving so much. So you really need like a tripod for this if you want to take like.
And also,
like this.
So up here, we almost have the wheel like Macau.
Yeah.
Whatever. There's just a bunch of different modes.
So yeah, so here's video.
Videos.
Movie mode.
You just have to hit the
This is creative mode. So yeah, there's a bunch of cool stuff. I don't know anything about Maddox's camera, but just look at like all the stuff here. It just looks so cool. Like I don't know how to say, like the animation of like all the modes you have here. I just like the animation. It's so cool. And also the screen is quite high quality.
And also to record a video, it's not on one of those. It's just that little button right there.
Yeah, so right here. This is also very convenient since the grip is here as well. And this is basically how you hold the camera. So it's just all right here for you.
The SD card's not in it at the moment because we're uploading a video review on the camera that I'm using at the moment.
I'll get back to that in a bit, but what I like here is, unlike my camera, these controls are just so simple. You just get like these buttons and like just like
hit the menu button.
Oh, menu? Yeah, here. It's just so simple. It doesn't.
So
it's not
there's
complex.
4 different. I don't know what to call them, but there's 4 different things there. And then in each one, there's a bunch of different things. Like if you click, then I'll go back. If you click autofocus, click it. Look, there's more options in it.
Yeah. Oh. Oops. No.
To get back to like exit back out to the screen, just hit menu.
Yeah.
See?
So there's a bunch of settings. It's really cool.
Can you stop shaking it so much?
Sorry. And also the thing is, the speakers are right here. Usually in my camera, they'd be hidden here somewhere. And then you also get your flash here.
Yeah, the flash is.
The only thing I'd say is because this is a bridge camera, it doesn't have. You can't change the lens, and there's no camera flash system mount, like I said in the other one, the review of my camera.
And also, the microphone is actually built into the speaker as well. And you can't have any external microphone because on the side here.
No, wait 1 second.
All right.
Oh.
This is where all your.
So you actually get like a micro HDMI port here.
You get an AV out.
Yeah.
And then there's this other random.
And then so here, let me actually turn the camera off. So So here is the how you take it off. So Maddox actually taught me like you pull this, then you try and pull the whole thing out, and then it just flips up like that. Now the thing I also like about this is there's no like specific kind of battery you have to buy. It's just regular AA batteries. So like it's really helpful like when you're on the go. Like if you run out of battery, you can just go to a random pharmacy or like a drugstore and buy batteries. While for like my camera, those require like special types of batteries. So you have to go somewhere, find an outlet, and then charge your camera battery. And that takes forever. While you can just buy a new AA battery.
Well, in the new vehicles, they have like an actual port in them. So.
Yeah. So then, well, actually,
you push it down and then
push it down.
There.
The only thing with this is I thought I was gonna break it because it's like the spring here is like very hard. It's like hard to push in, sort of. Because these I think they're spring loaded.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, so you can take it out, stuff.
Not sponsored.
In Kirkland, yeah. Yeah.
So on Macau's as well, there's on the bottom.
Yeah.
There's that little screw hole as well.
So I showed you before, it screws onto a tripod.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think my camera also has like similar outlets like here. But I forgot to show that.
And also,
yeah.
This is good because like it sticks out more, so you can put your fingers in there nicely.
Yeah.
Like on yours, it doesn't stick out that much. See?
No, but I actually prefer it when it doesn't stick out that much because
Yeah.
I find like it kind of forces your hand to wrap it or wrap your fingers around.
Yeah. So it's 40. I don't even know what that means to be honest.
40 times optical zoom.
It might say on the lens. The zoom.
Oh, zoom, yeah. Okay, Nikon 4 optical zoom. Oh,
It's just
4 to 160 millimeter zoom.
That's triple yours. 160.
Wow, mine
It's
is like
almost triple
18 to
yours.
55.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, that is amazing. And this is a built-in lens. That's great.
And also, Macau's camera is more expensive than mine.
Yeah, mine is like $700, $700.
Yeah.
This is like
400.
Yeah. And then, same as mine, you also get this kind of laser here. It shows you what you're taking a photo of here.
Mhm.
And then, otherwise, this camera just looks really cool. I'd say as well. It's compact, it's nicely designed, and it's just good. I'm not sponsoring the camera, by the way. I'm not sponsoring Nikon.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, well, thanks for watching. That's the review on Maddox's camera. And, yeah. Please subscribe and
Like and check out my channel.
tell us what you think in the comments below.
Yeah. See ya.
Bye.